In this video, we want to use synthetic division to find the quotient and remainder for this indicated division here. So we have 3x cubed minus x squared plus x plus 4 is divided by x minus 3. And we also want to check the work on this problem. You can also use the long division here. It says synthetic division, so first you want to make sure that we have the polynomial and descending powers. So we have to the third power, to the second power, to the first power, and then the constant. That one is set. If there wasn't an x squared here, for example, then we'd use a filler here of 0. Or if there wasn't an x, we'd have a 0 here. If there wasn't a constant, we'd fill it in with a 0. So everything is set, we simply use the coefficients. So coefficient there is 3 for the x cubed. X squared has a coefficient of minus 1. X has a coefficient of 1, understood. And then we have the constant term, 4. And then since we're dividing by a first degree binomial here, x minus 3, put the little box here, and this would be a 3 here. Had this been a plus, and this would be a negative. Opposite of what you have here. And then we bring this 3 below the line here, and we simply go 3 times 3 is 9. We bring it over. Then we add this column here, minus 1 and 9 is 8. And then we repeat the procedure. 3 times 8 is 24. And we add there, that's 25. Again, multiply by 3 here, that's 75. 3 times 25 is 75. And then 4 and 75 is 79. The last value for this particular row is always the remainder. So the remainder for this one, call it R here, is 79. And the quotient is going to be generated from the values in this last row here. So remember, we're dividing here by a linear factor, so it reduces the degree. So from degree 3, this reduces to degree 2. So this then would be an x squared here, and then it decreases powers here, goes from degree 2, 1, then constant. So the quotient then is going to be 3x squared plus 8x plus 25. Now if you wanted to check your work, you could take the quotient and multiply it by the divisor, and then add the remainder to that. So basically then the quotient times the divisor plus the remainder is equal to the dividend. So let's check it out here. So this is your divisor right here, and of course this is your dividend, what we started off with. So let's multiply these out. So let's multiply through first by the x. So it's x times the 3x squared, 3x to the third, and then x times the 8x. Say it's 8x squared, and then x times the 25, 25x, and then let's multiply everything by minus 3. So minus 3 times the 3x squared is a minus 9x squared. Then minus 3 times 8x is a minus 24x. Then a minus 3 times the 25 is a minus 75. And then we add the remainder to that, which is 79. So that'll give us then 3 x cubed, then plus 8x squared, a minus 9x squared, that's a minus x squared. 25x at a minus 24x is a plus x, 1x. So again, 25x at a minus 24x is a plus x. and a minus 75, and a 79 is a positive 4, which gives me the dividend. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.